Hello everyone and welcome to 4669 Thoroughbred Drive. We are in Milton, Florida today in the 32583. I am actually standing on Thoroughbred Drive right now and have been. Not many cars have passed me. It's very quiet and clean out here. There's a lot of mature trees and the azaleas are blooming. It's very pretty out here right now. We are just off Highway 87 here, so I-10 is very close, so commuting to Pensacola or Navarre would be a breeze. Navarre Beach is only 25 minutes away as well. This is a 2020 Clayton home. Does sit on 1.6 acres of land. Portion of the backyard is gated or fenced. This home did have new flooring installed in 2024. It's got a plank style flooring throughout. Has 3 bedrooms, 2 full bathrooms, and features over 1,800 square feet of living space. Okay, coming inside, you can see you do have an open floor plan throughout. You have the exposed beams for style and warmth. You do have recessed lighting throughout. So you come into the living and kitchen area first. To your right are 2 bedrooms and a full bath, and then to the left is your primary. So the primary suite does sit on its own end of the house. Here is another view of the living room. So you do have sliding glass doors that will lead you out to the covered porch or screened-in porch. And it is very peaceful out here. And I'll show you a little bit more about the lot as well. So fully screened-in porch. It's got a great amount of depth to it, and then you do have 2 access points to this screen-in porch as well. So this one door is from the laundry room, and there are the sliding glass doors we just came out of from the living room. Coming into the backyard here, you can see you do have a chain link fence to have a contained area in the yard. Do have a shed. This does have double gates to go onto the rest of the property, which is quite cleared. You do have mature pine trees, but not a heavily wooded lot. So if you wanted to build things, ready to do so. You do have a paver area here as well, along with a fire pit and area for a grill. And here is more of the beautiful screened-in porch. With the metal covering, I know it'd be peaceful to listen to the rain out here. So you do have an outdoor living area along with your indoor living area. I'll take you further into the kitchen and then we'll go to the primary suite. Do have white cabinetry, does go to the ceiling. Stainless steel refrigerator, wood look countertops. You do have 2 windows framing your stove to look out into the yard. You have a stainless steel vent hood and a very large island. So you've got plenty of seating around the large island, and you do have a nice double sink. All right, the primary suite is split off, and you do have the sliding doors for your doorway. Laundry area is to the right off the primary suite, and this does have access to the screen-in porch in the backyard. You do have recessed lighting along with a ceiling fan in the bedroom. Do have a nice size room here, double window overlooking the front yard, and then you do have a walk-in closet through that door on the right there. The primary bathroom is quite large, features everything you could really want. You do have double vanities, plenty of under sink storage with all the drawers. Do have some shiplap accent, medicine cabinet for some extra storage, and then you do have a standing shower. In addition to the shower, you do have a soaking tub as well. It's really the focal point of the bathroom with the wood around it. And that is highlighted by some windows just above the tub, and great placement because there are plenty of trees in front of these windows. And just in front of the tub is the commode. All right, take you to the other end of the house and we'll look at the other 2 bedrooms and 1 full bathroom. Hallway is lit up by a window here. There is the full bedroom. You do have some cool wallpaper accents throughout, a ceiling fan, and then closet right there. In the second full bathroom, you do have a tub shower combo. Recessed lighting in here. Bright window with light from the front yard coming in, and then a single vanity. The third and final bedroom is tucked off in its own little corner here. Do have a window in here bringing in a lot of light, and you do have a ceiling fan and closet in this room as well. All right, guys. This is 4669 Thoroughbred Drive in Milton, Florida. We are in the 32583. This home does sit on 1.6 acres of land. Come check this one out, guys.